Hey guys, Tim and Ginger here with Collision Edge. Today we're going to talk to you about a new product that we're just putting out. It's our 6x6 COVID label. This label is designed to help you visually control the process of cleaning your customer's car so you understand what has and hasn't been done to it, and also at the end gives your customer a peace of mind that it has been done, right? So we got to take care of our customers, we got to take care of our employees. Ginger's going to explain this now. Check it out.
All right, well, it's very, very simple. It's a 6x6 clean label. Has a place for your customer name and RO, also the inbound and outbound date and time for you to record. Also has a place for inbound to outbound clean and disinfect, both on the inside and outside. Scroll down these particular items. You need to really know that per CDC, you have to clean something before you can disinfect it. And we all know cars come into the shops in various arrays of cleanliness. Also has a spot for labor hours. Very important. You need to decide whether you're going to ask for a supplement if it takes longer, give it as a discount, or charge the customer if it's excessively dirty. And then last but not least, these are direct links to the CDC for guidelines that are updated regularly, as well as the EPA for an approved list of disinfectants. I want to say as a mom, it's really important, I think, for the peace of mind of your customers to see that this is being taken care of. It addresses you as an owner. It helps with the safety and health of your employees, but it also gives that customer a peace of mind knowing that you care about their health and their safety.
All for about the cost of a piece of sandpaper. So you guys check it out. This product's going to help you guys. That's what Collision Edge is all about, is bringing you new innovations and things to help you inside your business. So they'll be available here online, the COVID label. Check them out here in the link below.
Thank you.